Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, and then find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then we have to tap on this edit icon in the middle. And now let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So just tap on this camera icon, and now you can either take a photo and your device will immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will just take a photo of something around me, for example this one. Alright, so we've got the photo, and just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner to confirm everything. And now in this step we can zoom in or out the photo just by pinching our fingers. We can also change the position of the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So let me position it something like that, and then tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner, and tap on the tick icon again to confirm. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.